This is one messy job. Look at all that. I've lost my light, light's gone out. Just noticed more rust. Now down in there's a massive hole. But this is one dirty job. It's like concrete, all that. But it has to come off. So whatever happens, it has to come off, because I have to find what's in. And I've noticed in one of the videos I was watching last night, so this, I don't know what this is called, but that's supposed to fold over that way. So this panel here, and this has got quite a few repairs now. I see where this is coming, so I'm guessing that they've just stuck a patch over that. So I'm going to have to take all that off. But as for this panel here, I don't know yet, because down in there I don't have a torch. You can see the massive hole. It's obviously rotting in there, and that's all rotting. But I said in the last video that I needed to take this off. It looks like I do anyway. It looks like I'm taking it off. I'm just trying to scrape all this sealer off. I've taken that off and there's a massive rust patch under there. I still have to take these off. That has to come off. I've looked in other videos and that panel comes off, so I'm just going to grind out, take that off. I've still got to take the old wing off the top bit. Now as for the scuttle panel is the original one, because it's still got the stamp in it, although there's that much paint on it. It's buried a little bit, but it is there, so I have to come round to see that. Could do with light now. I don't know how well this is going to film now because my torch has gone out. But anyway, we'll carry on cleaning up and see if I can get these out. I can see, I thought these weren't original wings, but whether somebody spot welded those after wings, you know, they're not, I don't think they're original wings, and someone spot welded those onto the original panel. The only reason why I know these are original panel, because that's the original e-coating, that yellowy greeny stuff, that's original, that, because these all come that colour, like a greeny colour. You can see bits of it under paintwork, so that to me is original. That to me is original. But having said that, that panel there looks original as well, so I could be wrong, I don't know. Most of my talks guess anyway. Well, I've got that closing panel off, and that looks pretty original to me inside there. So that closing panel's never been off. There's plenty of rust in there, but it's only surface rust. So I'm going to clean all that up and get some rust cure on it, cure rust, whatever you want to call it. It looks okay in there. The other side's not the same, I don't think. I know that there's rust on the other side. I think there's like a hole here somewhere, if I can remember correctly. Can't really get over it just yet. Yeah, you see that? So when I come round I'll do the exact same and get that panel off. Well, I don't think I'm going to take the whole panel off because it's probably genuine, so if I can just make a little repair, I will. I think it's a massive water trap into that corner there though. All the grime, all the dirt, it's just a magnet for it. and that's probably what's happened, and it's all got in there, and then all the dirt's in there, and then all the water keeps seeping into it, and it's just rotted it. So it'll need to come out, that. That's taken me from 10 o'clock this morning, I don't even know what time it is, 4 o'clock-ish. So what I've done, I've taken the closing panel off like I said I were. I've took the wing edge off. I've only got to take that wing bit off. I've taken that off, it's got like a cut mark there, probably from someone else has done it. There's a cut mark there, so it probably just needs welding back up. I've cure rusted it now because there were a lot of rust in there, and probably what I'll do tomorrow is give it a quick scotch down and then re-cure rust it while I move the car to this side of the garage, because obviously I want to start in here and do just under here, and then I want to work my way around to that side of the floor. But I've got the wing off now. I've not done anything in there. It looks quite, I think that's a weld. It looks quite clean in there. A lot of it's just sealer. But there's a few holes in there as well that I've seen. Once I get that off, I'll be able to see what's inside there. Yeah. So that's it for today. That's a lot of work, that took ages. Oh, that needs cutting out and replacing, but I've seen other people doing it before, so hopefully I can do it, no problem, he says. We'll soon see. But yeah, that needs doing. A new closing panel in here. And probably take all this off here at some point. I'm not doing it now. What I want to do really is clean all that up and clean that floor up before I start taking any of the sills off or anything like that. It's really all the horrible work I want to get done. Get it all stripped back, get some primer on that, and then I'll start doing that, because I haven't got a welding bottle now, so I'm waiting to get a welding bottle, not a welding. Alright, so I've cleaned this inner wing up and I've just got some etch primer on it just to save it a little bit. It don't look too bad. Like I said, I'm moving over here next, So I've got that floor cleared up. I'm not doing any of that until I've cleaned the rest of the floor up and all the engine bay. So that's my plan. So that side needs to be like that. I've got that to fix. I've got a new closing panel to fit, and I've got all that floor to fix. Obviously not the shiny stuff, but this. I've got a couple of repairs in the middle. I've got this to remove, and that's it on this side. But I'm moving into here now,